Now let's take a look at this figure 21-32 that basically deals with wiring methods in Class 2 Division 1 in accordance with 502.10A1 through A7. Now, notice it lists some of the wiring methods there: rigid metal conduit, IMC, MI cable, MCHL, optic fiber cable, with certain conditions of use. But basically, you have A1 through A7 that are wiring methods that could be used in 502.10A1 through A17. Now, notice the equipment is designed with dust ignition proof type equipment, and Article 100 defines it, and it just basically excludes the dust so that an arc or a spark could not ignite in any way the dust if it was gathered in some manner, layers. But notice when you use equipment that is purged and pressurized, you leave out the purge. You don't sweep it and stir up the dust. You have to actually clean it out every so often as need be. But now boxes and other items like that could just, you would find that in 501.10A2, I believe it is. And they could just be, regular dust type boxes with threaded hubs. And we find that, and of course, you pick up your flexibility connections you see to the right: liquid type flexible metal conduit, flexible cord, any of those listed in 502.10A2 and 502.140, for cord and plug connected type. So basically, this figure 21-32 is illustrating the wiring methods permitted in Class 2, Division 1, in accordance with 502.10A11 through A17. And any of those wiring methods is permitted to be used. But remember, for the dust ignition proof equipment, you must go over to 500.7B, and then the 5.7 for your boxes and things that are listed there of the dust type now. So that's what this figure 21-32 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.